So one thing we check in here, what's the shaft size on the Maxpeedingrods, and then what's the shaft size on this other brand here, this green brand. So that should tell you something there. Here we go, install a set of Maxpeed, and this is heavy. Set of Maxpeed coilovers on this Primera here. Have I ever worked on a Primera before? Nope. Will it be easy? Let's hope so. To start with the easy part, which will be the back first. We take out the old ones, measure up the height with the new ones, set it that way, and then throw them in. So the interior part is out. 2 bolts on top, 1 eye bolt below, and it'll be out. One bolt below here, and 2 bolts to the top, and it's out. Out with the old, in with the new. Looks the same. So it's just tighten up because the height look good as well too. Alright, we now finish check the preload, which is around the 7mm, which they recommended, so that's good to go. Now is to throw some anti-seize, line up the first side. So the 2 back coilovers, the height already ready. We put the anti-seize, preload set, so now to throw them back in. The backs are in, bolted up, top and bottom, so it's a drop down the back and onto the front. So we have 3 bolts here for the front, and behind this back thing here will be 1 bolt somewhere in the back there. So now to dismount.
Perfect.
One thing we check in here, what's the shaft size on the Maxpeedingrods, and then what's the shaft size on this other brand here, this green brand. So that should tell you something there. Right, so we have, well, you're gonna hear my background music. We set up the height how we want it. We anti-seize, we tighten up the preload, and we're gonna throw in this side and see how that's working. Make note, the front shocks have left and right, so you can only go in that orientation. Second side is off. Now to adjust the height, put that thing there, the anti-seize, and back inside. Just a note, right, these are Infiniti G20 coilovers that we are using on a Nissan Primera, and it's bolting up front and back so far. The last one is finished, set up and ready, so it's a tray back in the car behind all this lovely goodness there. So it going back up inside here, then fitting through the holes through here, and then bolting back up, then down on the ground and test drive. So you have both coilovers on in the front. Let me see if you can see to the back here. Front. And we still get the bar to work back. We end up using some nut and bolts. So time to jack down and see the height. Right, so we're going and do a little test drive. See how it's feeling. Find it rugged, boy.
It looked like it might be feeling so.
Yeah, but not stiff to say super bouncy, but it's feeling good on the road. So we have these settings right now on 8 in the front, 8 in the rear. The preload as how it's set up from factory. Actually feeling smooth, feeling like that.
Runs smooth road right now.
Good, yeah.
The only one road. And the back of the road.
Feeling smoother than mine. Again, mine is the T7, which is more track oriented, so it will be a little more stiffer stuff as well. It could be just the car.
This
Or the suspension makeup. It's feeling nice, I go like. It feeling OEM. For what I think OEM will feel like. Back after the test drive. What we might do is still raise the back a little bit, but smooth test drive.